I guide you to send PDF file on your Instagram. For that, open your Instagram, go to the chat where you need to send the PDF file. Here you can have only photos option display, so you can directly send PDF on Instagram. For that, you have a third party option. Go to Google or whatever the browser that you are comfortable with and go for the search of WeTransfer. I think this website is a good website for transferring or getting links. Here you can select the files and they'll be converted to the links, and that link will be sent anywhere you want. So click on this plus icon and go to the media picker and select any of that, and here you can click on next, that get a link next, and if you add your email address, it will, after clicking on transfer, it will transfer to your email address or your mobile. After clicking on transfer, you will get that link, and after getting that link, you can copy that link and paste it on the chat, and you can long press there and you can have autofill or copy to clipboard, and likewise you can send PDF file to your friends